In 2023, our team at LWCC launched an initiative to create an experience that was authentic to our company's identity and an artful interpretation of our brand. We commissioned a talented local artist for the final piece that will be displayed in the lobby of our corporate office for years to come.
My name is Mikey Walsh, and I am a ceramic sculptor. I've done everything from figurative work to functional work, but in the last few years I've had some opportunities for commissions, and this is kind of the biggest and the most integrated and exciting one for me because I'm getting to work with actual people to collaborate and develop the idea. What you see on the wall is a composition of 64 objects. Each object is handmade and is meant to reflect either an industry, a worker, their tools, or some aspect of Louisiana life.
When we started this project, it was a daunting task thinking about how we accurately and authentically represent the workers and industries that are across our state. We led a comprehensive research effort, talking to our employees, our agent partners, and our policyholders. And what came out of that stakeholder research was a really authentic, genuine, and comprehensive list of all of the workers and industries across our state.
Coming into a space and seeing, oh, that's that weird tool that I use every day, or look at that pressure gauge, I relate to that on my job. So it's a way of the worker identifying their own daily life within a building that also is supporting them and their business.
The 64 pieces that you see on this wall represent the 64 parishes across our state.
LWCC has this comprehensive coverage of the entire state, and what drives them as a business is that they want to cover Louisiana, and they're proud of the fact that they serve all of Louisiana. Each object is to make people excited about Louisiana and all that we have to offer as industries and workers. Each object is my kind of personal honoring of what all the workers in this state do day to day, all day, 365.